Hey guys, Susan Dilvin Stills here from Mount Comfort RV. Wait till you see this. Yes, it's a Coachman Chaparral, but that Expedition means it is extra special, and it truly is. Let's get right inside where you're gonna see some genius design. Now we're inside Coachman's Chaparral Expedition version 355, F as in Frank, B as in boy, X. Extra special? I said that already. So this looks pretty normal, right? Just a regular L-shaped kitchen, nice 30-inch microwave, 21-inch oven, which is bigger than what you normally see in a lot of campers. 3-burner cooktop, nice big L-shaped counter, big barn sink. Yeah, we've seen all this before, Susan. U-shaped dinette we can get a couple of adults on. Tri-fold sofa bed. Pretty normal, but wait, there's more. Come with me to the bunk room. This is a 36-foot fifth wheel bunkhouse. Check this out, with room for 4 kids. And folks, they're not going to be on top of each other. Here I stand right here and I can barely get fingertips from bunk to the wall. Great big window here. Large windows with both bunks with these shades open, which we can't have open right now because of the lighting, but it really makes it feel open and airy. There's plenty of room. This bunk will actually pop up and out of the way, and this makes into a great little day bed. It's a great low bed for somebody who may roll out onto the floor. And we still have room on the floor, by the way, for another sleeping bag, a pack and play. So we could get tons and tons of children in here. And there's no slide out up here. This is just the cap. Now over here, this can be a great closet, hiding place if you're up for it. And of course we could put in a washer dryer. So stackable washer dryer. They will be an RV size, a little bit less capacity than residential, but still amazing. Place for a television. There's a little bit of a stud back here, so you can do a swing arm mount, coax outputs, and a 110 outlet. Here is bathroom number 1 with a tub, by the way. So you don't often see that anymore. Most campers right now have gone straight to the shower stall, but this is a family-friendly unit, and that is a great bathroom. But wait, there's more. Follow me. Mom and Dad's bedroom on the other side. By the way, largest refrigerator of a fifth wheel this size. Nice big pantry here. Cabinets here. Whoops. Sure there is, Susan. Everything in a new RV is a little sticky. But this is what I wanted to show you. How often do you see a bunk room with a king-size bed? This is awesome. And not only is it a king-size bed, it's a walk-around king-size bed with 3 windows in the slide box. You still have some storage up over top, but again, not confining, not claustrophobic. This just feels so open and airy, and tons of storage over here. 4 drawers, cabinet to the right of where another television could go. By the way, on the ceiling is your second of 2 air conditioners. You do have 2, so it'll be 50 amp service. And then this is a great hanging shirt closet. More room down here with a shoe cubby down here. You could actually get a small tote down there if you wanted to for small items. And look at this bathroom. This is huge. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Look at all of these cabinets. Great big medicine cabinets all the way around. Double sink vanity. Lots and lots of storage underneath. Plenty of storage for cleansers and shampoos and shave cream, and a couple of drawers here on the side. Over here, I'm going to climb in here. This is a big daddy shower. Okay, there's lots of room in here and tons of room up above. So if you're a big guy, no more having to just go to the shower house. You've got your own bathroom in your own camper. Of course, we're going to have a little bit more fresh water than you'd have in a travel trailer, somewhere in the 50, 60 gallon range. Well, folks, this is a very quick look at an amazing unit. I can go on and on about its construction. It's going to be the same as your regular Chaparral mid-profiles, which there's a lot going on there. Not the least of which is the backer wall that they put behind the fiberglass, which will never delaminate that fiberglass. Well, I'm Susan Dillman Stills here at Mount Comfort RV. Please give me a call on this. I think you'll like what you see.